There is definitely a certain feeling and magic behind leaving the familiar everyday routine back home. We took a journey to Greece and Turkey for a honeymoon, and it was the perfect breakaway from one of the busiest years I feel like I've had in my business, and he also has been so overwhelmed at work, so we definitely needed a break, but it was a perfect way to do this. And I'm not gonna lie, this time around, traveling and leaving my everyday routine, as much as I was craving it, definitely made me a little bit anxious. And I don't know if it's because I've just been so comfortable at home, or if it's because I just didn't know what to expect because I haven't been to either of these places. I was nervous, but the moment we set foot in Athens and started to soak in the culture and walk around, it reminded me why I love travel so much. It really lets you see the world through a different lens and just slow down. And I think slow living is truly an art. There's something that lets you be more present, more grateful, and honestly just more open-minded. It's one of my favorite things about traveling and just stepping out of the go that we experience as business owners and hitting that reset button as a designer and a person. One of the things that struck me the most about Athens was the incredible mix of old and new. You not only get the ancient Acropolis on the hill, but you also have the busy and modernized city down below. It's like a perfect reminder that you can mix the old and the new, or the past and the present, and they can be in conversation with each other and blend together in a very inspiring way. Athens had its city vibes, and when we went into Santorini, Greece, it was open ocean, the beautiful Mediterranean, and the peacefulness that we needed. It gave us a chance to be present, celebrate where we are in our relationship, and also dream a little bit more about the future. So here's part 1 of our Greece vlog, and I hope you enjoy coming along for the ride. Hi everyone, we are at Stanny in Athens. I heard that they have the best Greek yogurt, honey, and walnuts, and also the best donuts in Athens, so we're gonna try. I'm excited. We also just went to the archaeological museum and saw tons of like really cool statues and art, and then after this we're gonna head back to our hotel, get our bags, and then we actually fly to Santorini, so that'll be super fun. I'll take you guys with me, but first donuts, and I'm so excited about it. How is it?
It's really good.
Thirsty. So yummy. It has honey in this as well. I feel like I just gotta pick it up.
They sure there's 240 grams of Greek yogurt.
That's really good. Dang.
Make.
That's really good. Honey, yum. Did you sleep good?
Yeah, just like a little beat up.
I know, I feel like I should relax a little bit. I'm like exhausted too. Hello everybody, we are in Santorini, Greece. It is so beautiful. I actually just showered a minute ago, so I could feel nice and fresh and just sit out here this morning, sip on a little espresso and just take it in. It is literally breathtaking. I feel like I at first thought this was gonna remind me of Cinque Terre that I've been to in Italy, but this is like, I think, even more beautiful. They're beautiful in their own ways, but this is like insane. And we got in last night when it was already dark, so we weren't able to see like exactly the view, and waking up this morning and just seeing this is insanely beautiful. Let me just show you again from my point of view right now. So pretty. But yeah, we are here. I haven't really talked to the camera much because the first day that we got in, we were delayed on our flights a bunch. It was kind of a long day, and I was exhausted. Like, we were both dead tired by the time we like got back to the hotel, because we had a flight that went from San Francisco to Amsterdam, and then when we got into Amsterdam, our flights were delayed quite a bit. It was like a 5-hour delay, or a 5-hour layover, and I was exhausted because I didn't sleep much on the long flight. It was a little hard for me to sleep, so yeah, I was definitely tired. And in Amsterdam it was like storming outside, so the airport was like freezing. I don't know, it was so cold. So I just felt so off that whole day. And then we got on our flight to get to Athens, and the drive into our hotel was like 45 minutes. So all in all, it was like a full day, maybe even a little more. So we just needed like a day to recover. The first night, I'm actually glad that we got in at night, and I think that's a jet lag hack, is to get in late at night so you can sleep and kind of get on like the normal schedule, because I felt really good the next morning. I was like good to go. But yeah. And then the next day we explored around. We went to the Acropolis early in the morning. I'll just give you guys like a rundown, but we went to the Acropolis pretty early, and I'm glad we did because the line was like so long behind us after we got there. We had to wait for like 30 minutes, but we got in. It was free because it was a Greek holiday, so that was kind of cool. But we explored around that. It was absolutely beautiful. Definitely a lot of people, which I don't love, but it was still super pretty and just amazing. Like, it blows my mind that there's stuff like that still existing. But yeah, we got to walk around that, and then we walked around all the cities as we were like walking back to our hotel. And then we found a really good breakfast spot. Like, probably was gonna be top of the trip. It was so good. And I got this like Greek yogurt bowl with like peanut butter drizzled and granola and fresh fruit. It was amazing. But yeah, it was so much fun. And then I actually met my friend that is helping me plan my first retreat. She lives in Greece, so she met us for cocktails, and it was beautiful. Like, the hotel she booked, we had like a view of the Acropolis. We got to watch like the sunset behind it. So nice. I will say though, Athens was a lot more, it was just covered in graffiti, which usually I feel like here and there it's like whatever, but it was everywhere. Like, even on the like famous buildings and architecture that like leading up to it, I was like kind of surprised by that, and it just felt a little rundown. Not rundown, just dirty, I guess, which I wasn't expecting. Still enjoyed it, but that definitely surprised me about it. So we did that, and then we had most of our day yesterday before we flew to Santorini. So we went to breakfast and kind of took our time, walked around the museum, which was super cool. The archaeological museum, saw like tons of sculptures from like 200 BC that they found. Like, some of them they found in the sea, which is like mind-blowing, but they were beautiful to look at. So we did that, and then we flew here. Super easy flight to get to Santorini. It was like maybe 35-40 minutes, and now we're here. We're gonna be here for 4 days, 3 nights, which is perfect, I think, because then we'll make our way to Istanbul and we'll get all the fun self-care treatments and like continue to relax a little bit. So I'm super pumped for that. But yeah, I'm sitting out here enjoying the view. And then in the airport yesterday in Greece, me and Samar love making dates with peanut butter at home, and they had these and they looked pretty good, and I thought this would be a nice little like healthy snack while we, I don't know, like in the morning. I kind of want one now, so I thought I would try it with you guys. And then today we have a fun, relaxing day. We're probably just gonna take the morning slow. They're gonna bring us breakfast in like 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes, and we're gonna enjoy the breakfast with the view, and then we're gonna relax. We might actually look into renting a car today so that we can like drive to the other side of the island. And then we have an exciting appointment later that I might even do a whole separate video for that, but should be fun. So I will take you guys with me, but let's try this. This looks pretty good, and it has like sesame seeds sprinkled on it. It looks pretty good. That was good. I also need it because when I'm on vacation, I'm not regular at all, so I'm like, this should hopefully help, but pretty good. Also, when I was at the shop that I got these at, I got this like soft feta cheese. Oh, it's so good. So we'll probably have some like later as like a little snack, and I'll show you guys. But I'm trying to like, that's like the hardest thing about like when you love like getting content. Like I have my big camera, I have this camera, I have my film camera, and I like want to film it all, but I'm like, I can't carry that around all day. Like, and Samara's been helping me carry like my big camera, so I was able to get some like really fun photos on that. But that's so hard. I don't know if you guys have ever struggled with that. It's like, what camera do I bring with me and which one do I do for the day? So today my goal is to vlog more and film more, but I still want to try to get like some photos here and there because I feel like my photography juices, creative juices are finally coming back out, so I'm excited about that. But I will take you guys with me today, show you the breakfast that we get in a minute, and welcome to our Greece vlog. I think it wants food. Oh, can I touch you? You're so cute. I was trying to vlog on my vlog camera, but I ran out of storage on my memory card, so I'm using my phone for now. But we just went to Santo Wines and it was super nice. I feel like we came at the perfect time of year because everything is like dead quiet. Like there was only like a couple other people in there. So we got like a view of everything. It was beautiful. And I tried one of the Santo wines. It was like the sparkling white wine and it was pretty dang good. So loved that, but we are actually headed to get tattoos. It's like one of our favorite things to do when we travel. It's like our little way of collecting something from the area. So we're gonna go do that. I know my mom and dad, if they're watching, they're probably pissed, but we're gonna go do that, and I will take you guys with me, share with you what we get. I already sent them like the sketch idea and what we're thinking. We're doing different things, but kind of just a fun way to get something in a city. But we are headed to that, so I'll take you guys with me. Good morning, everybody. It is our last full day in Santorini. Beautiful. Every morning I wake up here, I'm just like, wow, this is insanely beautiful. But we're about to get breakfast in like 15 minutes. They bring it to the room, which is so nice. and we're just kind of relaxing today. This is like our relaxing portion of our honeymoon because everything else we've kind of just been walking a lot, moving a lot. I'm kind of tired, so we're excited to just relax today and chill. But I know yesterday when I talked to you, we kind of like got a car and drove around a little bit. We went to Santo Winery, which was really cool and really good wine. So I had a glass of like the Brut. They're like sparkling white wine, and it's called like a Sirto wine or something. It's really good. And then we got our tattoos, which is so fun. But I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I totally thought I got it way smaller, but it's a lot bigger than I usually get. But it is super fine line and like single needle kind of, so it's gonna basically heal and fade out to be more gray and lighter. But yeah, I was like, oh my god, I definitely thought I was going smaller, but whatever. It's like beautiful artwork. He did an amazing job with like the line work and everything. So it's on my back here. I'm gonna wait till it's healed till I like share it, because right now with the second skin, it's kind of like the ink is in there. And anyway, I'm gonna wait till then. But the artist was amazing, and it is kind of cool to like collect art all the places you go. So anyway, I thought it was cool, but definitely bigger than I kind of wanted, if I'm being completely honest. But that was my fault. I should have said something, or should have like looked at it a little more. But anyway, today's gonna be relaxing, so I'll take you guys with me, share with you anywhere we go. I think we're gonna walk around Amati Bay. I think that's how you say it. There's like a beach down there that I think we want to go check out, but mainly just chilling today. So I'll take you guys with me. But look at this beautiful view. We're just gonna soak it all up and enjoy this peaceful part of our trip. So take you guys with me. Melted a little. Gotta get a video.
Check them out.
I hope so. It's a little hard for me to see. Okay, let's try this out. I got it with brown sugar. Let's see me. We also just walked the Pia steps, which was quite the workout. Like, my heart was pounding. That's good, but very strong. Dirt. It's different, but strong.
Is it?
Yeah. How do you have to go down like that lady had it?
It takes time, you gotta drink it.
It's better when you stir it. It's really good actually.
Yeah, this is the walk to your right. Walk to your right.
That's my right. You mean that one?
That's good stuff.
Alright guys, we are headed to dinner. It's our last night in Santorini. It's been so fun, but we are super excited to go to Istanbul. I just wanted to give one last look at our hotel because we leave at like 4:30 in the morning tomorrow to get our flight to Istanbul. That was the only time there was like a connection, so it's gonna be an early morning. But I wanted to get one last clip of Greece. A beautiful hotel, like everything about this I absolutely love. I would love to have like arches, and really inspired me, like the whole style of the place. So here's one last look at our beautiful patio. Seriously, so pretty. Going to miss it, but super excited for the next part of our trip. So I will take you guys there, but first let's go get some dinner.